What's going on, guys? I just want to thank you for coming back for another video and remind you guys to go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. It'll really help us get moving along on all these projects. You know, these ones are just mine. There's another one back here. Let me see if you can see the butt. There, you can see the roof. Anyways, what we're going to do today is more STI stuff. Yay! Anyways, I gotta fix this bumper stay. They're pretty weak, the ones that I made. So I bought some thicker metal to fix that. I gotta polish these headlights. I'm not gonna do those today, but we are gonna do an oil change. Got all this stuff to do an oil change. Knock that out. Just trying to get it ready for IFO. So there's my oil filters. I also got the stuff to do the hard body, since I daily the hard body. You guys wanted an update on the hard body, so there it is. I daily it, so it's pretty good. So this is kind of like the bracket that I made before. It's real flimsy bimsy. It's benzy and stuff, so it's riveted on there. Let's figure out how to get those rivets out. And then we'll take this off, flatten it out, make one identical out of thicker metal, and then we'll put it back on with some more rivets and stuff. So I got it off, but I Loctited these two nuts on here. This one's loose. The one that needs to be loose isn't. So I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get that off. Then we're gonna cut it out of this 16 gauge steel. I don't know what this is, but it's real thin. So anyways, let's get started on that, guys. So here it is. That's the old one. Go ahead and transfer it onto the new steel, and I'll cut this out. We'll be good to go. Looking good. So here's the new bracket. Looks a lot better. I just checked it. All the holes line up. We're using a little bit bigger rivets, so I have to go drill out the holes on the car. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to get the rivet gun ready, get everything over there, so as soon as we drill out the holes, we can go ahead and throw this right on. So here's everything. I got the drill, rivet gun, rivets, and the bracket. What I got to do is these holes right here to make them a little bit bigger so that we can fit these rivets in there. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I got it on there. Looks good. I mean, this is solid. It moves the whole fender. I'll show you guys the other side, how flimsy this is. So, I mean, you can just hear the difference in it. You know, so get this side done. We'll be all finished up. That'll be the bumper fixed. I'm excited. I'm tired of my bumper hanging. So it looks a lot better, but I have this right here. Get the camera to focus. I got this, so I got to pull the bumper back a little. So we'll go ahead and take that out. We'll take that bolt out, And we'll try and bring that hole over some. But this is the gap on this side. And this is the gap on this side now. Nothing. Looks great. And the bumper's not moving, so hopefully it won't chip the paint up there anymore. I should have brought this down to about here, I think. But nothing I can do now. So after a little bit of finagling with the driver's side, I got it on. I'm really happy with the way it looks. I don't have that big part popping out. There's just this little tiny bit right here. And the fender and the bumper are pretty flush. I'm really happy with that. The big thing is there's no more big old gap right there. It looks really good compared to this, which is just ridiculous. So now we're going to do this side. Passenger side done, and then we'll do the oil change. So it's going pretty good. The car's really coming along. I'm really falling in love with this car again. After I got it back from getting the engine built and everything, I kind of just lost it for it. I didn't really care about it. I knew it was worth money, you know, I mean it's a built STI, but I didn't enjoy the car. I didn't enjoy driving it. I didn't really enjoy looking at it, but now these wheels just kill me. They're so good. I love them so much. I'm actually waiting on a call so we can go get the last nut, and then we'll have all our caps on. The wheels look way better with the caps on. So let me get that other side done. I'll show you guys how that's going. So I went ahead and painted this one. I should have done that on the other side, but I didn't. So now I'm just going to mount it up. Over it goes. Get it all taken care of. And I'll show you guys when I'm all done what the bumper looks like. Alright guys, the bumper's on. And it looks 1,000 times better. So there's virtually no gap on this side. Very little gap. And this side's the same way, just small gap compared to what it was. Fits better all right here. Fits better all right here. Looks way better. Version 2, way better than version 1. Now we're going to go ahead, jack the car up, change the oil. Alright guys, all done with the oil change, all done with the bumper. Everything looks good. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you guys later.